Lisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you my secret on how to keep your ears warm during this very cold winter by using this CC ear warmer headband. This has been such a wonderful purchase. I'm going to put it on so you can see how simple it is. I personally just like putting it on top of my head, covering my ears, but I want you to please pay attention to the details. The details are beautiful. The knitting is a very, very unique pattern. I don't think I've seen anything like this. Also, I chose this beige color because it matches so many clothing. And not only is it fuzzy lined inside to keep your ears warm, but it's also comfortable. You can see the quality and it's so worth it. I love having these ear warmers. I highly recommend them. They're beautiful, and that's my point of view.